Today, I'm at the Botanic Gardens to test the accuracy of different plant identification softwares. In these softwares, AI has been trained on large data models to precisely identify plants, among other species of living things. I believe these tools can be really helpful for landscape architecture students, yet not all that many of my classmates know about them to begin with. So between Google Lens, a general LLM chatbot, and specialized softwares like Picture This and iNaturalist, I'm going to determine which of these apps is the most accurate and the most useful. So this experiment started out by going out into the garden and collecting 10 photos of different plants that I would later run into the softwares. The worst performing software, unsurprisingly, was Google Lens, but it really wasn't that far behind the more specialized softwares, accurately identifying 6.5 out of 10 of the species. However, an interesting thing to note about Google Lens is that the identifications will differ at random. For example, here on the first input it accurately identifies Decopsia, but on the second input it actually identifies it as a jasmine. On the other hand, Picture This and iNaturalist, which have been specifically trained to identify biodiversity with hundreds of thousands of pictorial references, didn't end up performing much better, each correctly identifying 7.5 and 8 species respectively. While their accuracy may be debatable, what's more beneficial about these softwares is that 1. Picture This offers condensed and accessible information on the species, and 2. iNaturalist operates on a system of community grading, which ensures higher accuracy beyond the AI suggestions. With a greater access to this knowledge, us landscape architects can design more precisely by knowing the growth requirements, ecosystem functions, and services of the plants we choose to more sensitively curate our landscapes. On a greater scale, this type of AI identification is proving beneficial to conservation efforts as a whole, for instance by automating previously manual sorting processes in camera traps. I hope this video has been helpful in showing how AI can be helpful to us landscape architects, whether that be through enhancing our knowledge gaps or by making detailed information more organized and accessible.